Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some deep cleaning, not the whole entire house, just my bedroom, master bath, and laundry room because it was so dusty in there. I hope all of you are having a great week and that everybody is doing very well. Let's get right into the video. So I'm starting out in the laundry room. It really needed a deep cleaning in here. I'm going to be wiping down the washer and dryer, sweeping and mopping. Lately, I haven't been using any special cleaning products, you guys. Just bleach and water and Lysol spray when I can get my hands on it because of COVID-19. I have just been really paranoid about germs. So bleach and water and Lysol has been my go-to product. So the washer had a lot of detergent stains on it, so I'm going to try to find something harder to clean it with. I don't know. I'm not sure what to use. Maybe a magic eraser or something. I don't know, you guys. But let's just talk about how small this laundry room is. Our laundry room is so small. So you're going to see my ring light in the hallway because it is so small. It was so hard to navigate to try to film in here. But I hope if you made it this far, you are enjoying the video. This is real life. Y'all know sometimes you just gotta do what you have to do and keep it moving. To the bedroom, it really wasn't that bad in here. We recently moved from Georgia to Virginia, so we got rid of a lot of things before we moved here. And if you ever had to move state to state, you know that it can be very expensive. Today was laundry day, so I went ahead and washed all the linen, and I didn't record me washing that because it was so much going on, you guys, so I didn't record that part. So I'm going to be taking some bleach and water and wiping down the headboard in here because it do get quite dusty in here. So yeah, so that's what I have in that Method spray bottle. It's not the Method cleaner. I just have bleach and water in the spray bottle. guys, my dresser has so much wear and tear. I'm going to insert a clip. I really need to find something to fix this. I really do love this dresser. The drawers are so spacious, but I really do need to find something to clean it up. It just needs a whole entire makeover.
It's worse than lonely. Can someone tell me they see good in me? There's good in me. Cause I got doubts, I got doubts, I got doubts, yeah. Sometimes I wanna risk it all. Since you left me, struggle, baby, I see pain. Cause I got nothing. Can someone tell me they see good in me? There's good in me. Cause I got doubts, I got doubts, I got doubts, yeah. Ooh, isn't it strange we turn to strangers? You've erased all your pictures on your phone. Ooh, your final words on a piece of paper. I don't love you anymore. Tell me there's good in me. Cause I got doubts, I got doubts. Tell me there's good in me.
Moving on to the master bathroom. I really just wanted to give it a good spot clean in here. My stepdaughters are here with us, so the kids used our bathroom the most. And in one of the clips of the toilet, you're gonna see that I do not have on any cleaning gloves. You guys, the toilet was not dirty. I just had my son sitting there while I was cutting his hair, so it was kind of hair all over the toilet, and I wanted to give it a good wipe down.
Thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be moving on, seeing it all in a whole new light. Thinking of reasons to make it all be alright. And now that you're gone, I'm thinking about.
Here's my baby coming in my video once again. He was listening to some books on my phone and kept wanting me to change the story. I just thought it was super funny. OMG, the material in our shower and bathtubs in this apartment is such a pain to clean, which is why I just use bleach and water. I'm going to start using magic erasers in here because, girl, the struggle to clean this tub and showers are just, oh my gosh. It reminds me of the shower and bathtubs in a college dorm, if you know what I mean. Oh my gosh, girl, it's just a pain.
In the light, just as I remember. Also fly, always my defender. Do you think there is a chance you'll make up your mind?
thank you guys for hanging out with me in another cleaning motivation video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I really had so much fun making this, you guys. And I hope this motivated you to get up and clean. I hope you guys have a great weekend and a great week. And I will see you in my next video. Peace and blessings.